Good morning to all of you. With immense pleasure, I welcome you all to the online science exhibition of ACS 4 Rawatbhata. But first of all, I would like to thank our principal sir, Dr. Kamlesh Kumar, Vice Principal sir, Shri Vijay Kumar, and in charge of our exhibition and all the teachers for taking efforts and organizing science exhibition in this online mode at such difficult times of pandemic. We know that you all must be excited and eager to show your exhibits. Actually, this is a platform for students to create and innovate. It encourages students and gives exposure to students to present their talent. So today we will unveil the innovative creations of our young scientists in this exhibition. So I welcome you all our young scientists. So, but before starting this exhibition, I will first tell you about the serial order of this exhibition. So, first of all, I will announce the names of the first five students. So, you all be ready with your exhibits. Okay. So, it will order will be like this. That is first the students of class 9, then students of class 10, then class 11, and then class 12. Okay. So, but before starting this exhibition, I would like to again tell you some important instructions for this. So, first thing is always keep your phone in landscape phone whenever you are showing your exhibit. Okay. Second important thing is keep yourself mute until your turn comes. Okay. And most important of this is take care of the time limit. Time limit is 3 minutes, including your introduction, everything, and showing your exhibit and explanation. So you have to finish it in within 3 minutes. Okay. So I think everything is clear to you all now. Now, before starting this exhibition formally, I also extend a warm welcome to judges of our science exhibition. So, I welcome our first judge, Mr. Govind Sharma, then second judge, Shri Surendra Yadav, and third judge, Mrs. Asha Giri. So, I welcome you all judges for this exhibition. So I think now everybody is ready. So I will read out the names of first five participants first. The first five participants are Anushri Maheshwari, Shiven Gupta, Manish Singh, Mukul Chaudhary, and Mohit Singh. So you all be ready with your exhibits. So first participant Anushri, are you ready, beta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible and visible?
Just wait, Anushri. You are not audible.
Ma'am, now am I audible?
वो तो माइक है, स्पीकर स्पीकर नहीं चलता।
Anushri, just wait for 1 or 2 minutes, beta. Okay? Okay. Now it is audible. Anushri, are you ready?
Good morning, ma'am. Am I audible and visible?
Good morning, beta. Yes, now you can start.
Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, headmistress ma'am, teachers, judges, seniors, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all. I am Anushri Maheshwari of class 9th A. My roll number is 90103 and my project is mobile phone detector. A mobile phone has become an important part of life. People carry mobile phone at all locations day and night. But mobile phones are banned at some important areas like nuclear power plant and examination hall. But people still carry mobile phones at banned areas. So, to detect the presence of an activated mobile phone, I have made my project Mobile Phone Detector. A mobile phone detector can detect the presence of an activated mobile phone from 4 to 5 meters away. So, it can come handy in an examination hall, meeting places, or sensitive places where mobile phones are not permitted. The circuit can detect incoming and outgoing calls, SMSs, internet, and video transmission even if the mobile is kept in silent mode. When a mobile is activated, it radiates RF signal and the LED starts working. Let's see how the circuit works. This mobile is receiving an incoming call. This mobile is receiving an incoming call and the LED starts blinking. The components of the circuit are LED, antenna, capacitor, integrated circuit, transistor, resistor, and power supply. When a mobile is activated, it radiates RF signal that passes through the space. The signal contains electromagnetic RF radiation. The capacitor C1 absorbs it and transfers it to the inputs of integrated circuit. Now the LED flash off and lights start blinking. Transistor T1 is used to amplify the signal, and resistors are used as they are current opposing devices. They are current existing components. These mobile detector is very useful to detect the presence of mobile. This is my project. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Anushri. Was very nice project. Now the second participant is Shiven Gupta. Shiven, are you ready? Shiven, unmute yourself. I think Shiven is not here. Okay. So now I will call the third participant, Manish Singh. Okay, Manish. Unmute yourself, Manish. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your time starts now.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Manish Singh. I study in class 9th B. My roll number is 90232. My project is on earthquake alarm. The earthquake alarm is used in commercial idea events
Manish,
like government.
Manish, you are not audible, beta. You start again. Check your mic and everything, and speak loudly.
My name is Manish Singh. I study in class 9th B. My roll number is 90232. And may I audible?
Yes, Beta, now you can start.
My name is Manish Singh. I study in class 9th B. My roll number is 90232. My project is on earthquake alarm. The earthquake alarm is used in highly earthquake areas like Jammu and Kashmir, etc. First of all, I will start from what is earthquake. Earthquake is the shaking of earth, shaking of the surface of earth, resulting from the resulting from the release of surface release of energy in earth, earth lithosphere that creates seismic waves. Earth, earth, earthquake, earthquake measure with seismograph and its magnitude measure with Richter scale. And I am talk about what is earthquake alarm. Earthquake alarm is a system of alarm that device to device to device device that for notifying adjoining regions for substantial earthquake while it is in progress. And how it is worked, I can show. When the switch is on, the nut is nut is and movement, so the buzzer is start. So my switch is off, so they stop sound. So that's my project. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Manish. See, before calling the next participant, एक बात मैं आप सबको कॉमनली कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग बिल्कुल घबराइए मत, टेंशन में मत बोलिए, आराम से रिलैक्स होकर बोलिए बेटा. ओके, तो वी आर ऑल हियर टू हेल्प यू. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम उससे सॉल्व कर देंगे, इसलिए आप लोग बिल्कुल रिलैक्स होकर पार्टिसिपेट करिए ना. आपने इतनी मेहनत से प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है तो बिल्कुल टेंशन मत करिए, आराम से बोलिए. ठीक है? ओके, जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ द लाइट दिस टाइम. सो नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज मुकुल चौधरी. Mukul, are you ready? I think Mukul is not there. Okay, so I'm calling the next participant, Mohit Singh. Mohit Singh, okay. बेटा स्क्रीन में आओ, थोड़ा सा मोबाइल एडजस्ट करो अपना. मोहित, हाँ, ओके. ठीक है मोहित.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohit Singh. I study in class 9th B. My roll number is 90234. My project is on fire alarm. It is used in commercial buildings like offices, movie theaters, shopping malls, and other public places. Is compulsory. It detects fire in the right time and prevent any damage to people.
Just wait, बेटा. Speak loudly.
My name is Mohit Singh. I study in class 9th B. My roll number is 90234. My project is on fire alarm. It is com- it is used in commercial buildings like offices, movie theaters, shopping malls, and other public places. It is compulsory. It detects fire in a right time and prevent any damage to people. Let's talk about what is fire alarm and how does it work. Fire alarm system warns people to prevent any damage from the fire and detect it. How fire alarm system use? Contemporary fire alarm system uses automatic function to detect any damage from fire and automatic transmit to the fire alarm panel. And I am using 9-volt battery, wire, buzzer, and fire detector. I will show you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, your time is over, Mohit. Thank you very much. And our next participant now is Samya Jain. Samya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay, एक बार
1 minute.
चेक कर लें आपके वॉइस को.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, it is audible.
1 minute, ma'am.
स्क्रीन पे बेटा आपका वीडियो सेट करो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. Uh, okay, it's okay. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, now I am audible.
You are audible, but adjust your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
टिल्ट करो बेटा कैमरे को. हाँ, सीधा करो.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Yes, ma'am. Now I am ready. Ma'am, now I am visible clearly.
नो बेटा.
1 minute.
सामने आप दिख नहीं रहे हो बेटा. हाँ, आप दिख रहे हो बेटा. इसको थोड़ा सा
Time
टिल्ट करो
escape
बेटा
mode पे.
कैमरे को.
Yes,
टिल्ट
ma'am.
करो.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको रोटेट कर दो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. हाँ. Ma'am, rotate. नहीं हुआ. 1 second. 1 second.
बेटा 90 डिग्री पे रोटेट करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, अभी ठीक है.
Now,
ओके, ऑल
एक
गुड.
मिनट. Okay. Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
नहीं बेटा आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा अभी. हाँ.
Ma'am, now I am audible. Good morning, respected teachers. My name is Samya Jain and I am studying in class 9th B. My roll number is 90215 and I am going to show my project. 1 minute. एक second. Ma'am, it is visible. Ma'am, it is visible. 1 minute. Yes. So I have placed a candle in an empty plate. Now I am going to burn this candle. First, I have to pour this colored water in this glass. I am pouring this. Okay. So I am going to burn this candle. Okay. Okay. So now I am going to so now I am going to place a inverted glass on it. Okay. Yes. So we can see in absence of oxygen, the water is rising up. So so due to the absence in oxygen, the water rises up. Now the moral is the heat. The heat from the candle starts to create a vacuum inside the glass. The liquid forms an airtight seal around the edge, and the vacuum inside sucks the liquid into the glass. Thank you.
Samya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you
Yes, ma'am.
participated the activity. I want to ask one question. Why the water has not rise much above? पानी का लेवल और ऊपर क्यों नहीं गया? एक लिमिट पे आगे क्यों रुक
Ma'am,
गया?
because the flame of the fire was low actually. That's why. Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yes?
Ma'am, can I show it again?
No, it's fine. I just wanted to ask a question. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Samya.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Beta. So our next participant is Dev Sani. Dev, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Beta. Clearly audible.
Good morning, teachers. I am Dev Saini from class 9B. I have made a working model of an electric bell. An electric bell was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1831. An electric bell is a mechanical bell that an electric bell is a mechanical bell that works by the means of an electromagnetism. An electric bell, when supplied through the current, produces a repetitive buzzing or a changing sound. An electric bell works on the principle of magnetic effect through an electric current. When electric current flows through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field. To find the direction of the magnetic field, we use right hand thumb rule. The electric bell consists of one electromagnet, one soft iron rod, one gong. Now I will switch you to the my project.
Dev, आपका कैमरा
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am, I
switching
am
the
switching
camera.
the camera.
Can
Can
you
you
please
please
wait a
wait
second?
a second?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is my project. Ma'am, it consists of gong, an electromagnet, a soft iron rod, and a circuit. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Dev. Dev, your
Yes,
explanation
ma'am.
is over.
Yes, ma'am.
आपका प्रोजेक्ट ओवर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा कुछ what did you show?
Yes, sir.
बेटा शो
एक बार रिपीट करवा ले। एक बार
मॉडल आप वर्किंग तो शो करो एक बार।
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Sir, can I shift the camera?
Yes.
बेटा
Sir,
आप
am I audible? Sir, when I switch on the switch, sir, it starts ringing. It consists of a gong, a soft iron rod, a electromagnet. You can see this is working, or when I switch off the switch, it starts ringing.
Okay. Screen share.
is it allowed?
Screen share. Allow.
Okay, बेटा. Okay, Shivain, you can start now.
Yes, ma'am. So, good morning, ma'am. My name is Shivendra. I study class 9B, and my topic name is the Big Bang Theory. Ma'am, you can see my presentation?
Better speak loudly. Your voice is not
Yes,
clear.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you can. Ma'am, now am I audible?
The sound is echoing, it seems. Is it clear?
Landscape.
बेटा ये कैमरा अपना लैंडस्केप में करो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now okay?
Okay, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. One second, ma'am. Once. Yes, ma'am, can you see my?
No sir, no. नहीं शिवेन दिख नहीं रहे बेटा. कैमरा ऑन करो.
Yes, ma'am, one second. Yes, ma'am, now? Ma'am, now?
हाँ बेटा.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
You can begin now.
okay. So my project name is the Big Bang Theory. That means the Big Blast. The theory tells about the formation of the universe. Next.
बेटा your voice is not clear.
Yes, ma'am. Now clear?
आवाज सुन नहीं बेटा आपकी.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, आवाज आ रही है क्या?
बेटा speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so the Big Bang Theory, that means the Big Blast. The theory tells about the formation of universe. Ma'am, now?
Okay, Shivain, you start now.
Yes, ma'am. So my project name is the Big Bang Theory. That means the theory, the Big Blast. That the theory tells about the formation of universe. So the Big Bang Theory was discovered by Mr. Georges Lemaitre. The theory and he told that many years ago a sudden blast occurred in the space due to which the universe formed. So do you know what Albert Einstein say about that theory? So let's see. He says that it began with a tiny but dense mass of energy exploded, and it says that the universe has been expanding ever since. Einstein himself did not come up with the theory. So we see now that the theory is true or not. So, the earliest and most direct observational evidence of the validity of the theory are the expansion of universe according to Hubble's law, as indicated by as the redshift of galaxies, discovery and measurement of the cosmic microwave, background, and the relative evidence of light elements produced by Big Bang. So this is the proof of the Big Bang theory. So let's move. So planets form from particles in a disk of gas and dust colliding and sticking together as the orbit the star. The planets nearest to the star tend to be rockier because the star's wind blows away their gases and because they are made of heavier materials attracted by star's gravity. So, what is the conclusion of the Big Bang theory? Let's see. The Big Bang theory is important for us to understand because it's layout a framework explaining how the universe was created and breaks down the timeline in which things were created and formed. We are able to see evidence of this theory as technology is constantly advancing and improving. So, this is the conclusion of the Big Bang theory. Thank you, ma'am.
शिवेन,
Yes,
शिवेन,
sir.
कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
बेटा कोई वर्किंग मॉडल नहीं है कुछ आपके पास? कोई मॉडल चार्ट वगैरह?
No, sir. This is PDF.
You don't have anything to show because
No, sir.
exhibition means because the meaning of exhibition is to show some exhibits. You are simply reading the theory, nothing is showing. Okay. What is the actually how that God particle is related to the Big Bang theory?
Sir, can you please?
Do you know about God particle? Recently, जो एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ था अभी,
Yes, sir.
गॉड पार्टिकल के बारे में सुना आपने? गॉड पार्टिकल?
गॉड पार्टिकल?
पार्टिकल
No, sir.
वो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट था
वर्ल्ड के ओरिजिन को जानने के लिए सन एक्सपेरिमेंट.
Sir, double one zero.
सन एक्सपेरिमेंट. सन एक्सपेरिमेंट.
Yes, sir. Sun experiment means.
उसमें गॉड
पार्टिकल की खोज हुई थी ना?
Yes, sir.
तो हाउ दैट
गॉड पार्टिकल रिलेटेड टू द बिग बैंग थ्योरी?
So there's a sudden blast in the universe. So that's why the Big Bang theory means.
ओके बेटा.
हाँ सेवन, आवाज आ रही है? अपना कैमरा ऑन.
Yes, sir. आ रही आवाज सर.
हाँ, कॉस्मिक मैटर का क्या मतलब होता है?
क्या सर?
मीनिंग ऑफ कॉस्मिक मैटर, कॉस्मोजोआ.
Yes, sir.
कॉस्मोजोआ, व्हाट इज द कॉस्मोजोआ?
Sir, cosmic microwave background, that evidence of light elements which produced by Big Bang. It is known about cosmic microwave. Cosmic.
Okay, what is the difference between reactive environment and oxidative environment?
Yes, sir.
Oxidative environment and reactive environment. जो आप बात कर रहे हो बिग बैंग थ्योरी की, उस टाइम किस तरह का एनवायरनमेंट था? रिडक्टिव था या ऑक्सीडेटिव?
Reactive.
मतलब जो बिग बैंग थ्योरी की आपने बात की है, उस टाइम में जो है किस तरह का एनवायरनमेंट था? रिडक्टिव था या ऑक्सीडेटिव था?
So reactive था, oxidative नहीं था.
अच्छा, ऑक्सीडेटिव का, अच्छा रिडक्टिव था. तो रिडक्टिव का मतलब बताओ, उसमें क्या क्या फीचर्स थे? रिडक्टिव एनवायरनमेंट
फर्स्ट टाइम पे ऐसे नो गैसेस नहीं थी, मतलब ऑक्सीडेटिव नहीं थी, रिएक्टिव यानी कि ब्लैंक.
ओके.
एक बार उन बच्चों के नाम दोबारा read out कर दो, 9 से 12 जो नहीं है.
Okay. Yes, Shireen, thank you very much, Beta.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Now I am again reading out the names from the very starting, those who were absent from 9 to 12. The first name is Mukul Chaudhary. Then next is Suraj Dobi, was also not present. I think still he is not present. And Karu Ram. If anybody is there, you can just unmute yourself and speak. And Khushi Vishnoi from class 11th. Then Ishika Sharma from 11th B. Harsha Ganeshan from class 11th. and Shubham Meena of class 12. I think all these are not there, and if anybody's name I have not included, I have not taken.
प्रशांत के लोधी मैडम
Prashant Lodi, is he there?
वो भी नहीं
No, I think all these participants are not there, so you can mark them as absent. All the judges, please make a note of this. Okay, so at last we conclude with this. I appreciate all the students for their active participation. It was great experience seeing our young scientists with innovative and creative ideas. Exhibition was very informative and children showed enthusiasm. It was filled with pursuit of knowledge and excellence. So I would like to thank you all for your efforts and participation, as you all took effort for participating, because participation is more important than getting prizes. So I congratulate you all for at least taking part in this exhibition. Okay, so I thank you all. And before concluding, I would also like to thank all our judges for taking efforts and giving their precious time. And at last, I would like to thank everyone who supported for the smooth conduct of this program. Thank you very much. So before concluding, I would like to listen from the judges. Govind sir, Asha ma'am, if you want to say something, Suren sir. आपको कैसे लगे हमारे बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट्स?
थोड़ा सजेशन
And you can give some suggestion also.
students,
You can come here, sir.
So good morning, students. So now you all perform your exhibition project. It was very nice session of your experiment project, and each one of you tried hard and try to give your best in this exhibition. And students always remember that science is the basically subject of innovation. Any innovative idea and basic thing is that the concept. What I felt during the presentation, there was some loose command on the concepts. Okay, you are very good at explaining how your working model is working, how it is showing how it is working, and all these things you try to explain. But what is the basic principle and what are the basic physics or chemistry or what are biology, whatever science is behind that, you have to give little pressure on it. Another thing is that students, you make your project decorative, more presentable. You can make, okay, many of you could make, however many of you tried very well. So students, you should always come forward for exhibitions and exhibition projects. Taking part is very important. Winning or not winning is different thing, but it increases your knowledge. Suppose आपने कोई भी experiment बनाया, कोई भी आपने project बनाया, you got involved in that experiment and you learned lot of things. Suppose किसी ने hydraulic brake बनाया तो उसको at least पता लगा कि पास का law क्या होता है ना? किसी ने मान लो इंटरनेट का मॉडल बनाया तो उसको पता लगा कि भाई इंटरनेट के बारे में काफी डेप्थ नॉलेज उसने स्टडी करी। तो आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट जब आप बनाते हैं तो आप उससे रिलेटेड साइंस के बारे में डेप्थ स्टडी करते हैं, दैट इज ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू। सो स्कूल इज ऑलवेज organizing this type of program for you to increase your creativity, to increase your participation in this pandemic time. Also, we have tried hard. All it is our teachers' teamwork in the guidance of principal sir. So you should also take it in positive spirit. We felt that the number of activities were less this time in senior science. We hope that it will increase. This will increase. So keep it up, students. School will continue to give you more opportunities in future also in different fields and to increase your creativity. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Piyush, your project was good, बेटा. अच्छा था वो. किसी कोई problem नहीं है कि कोई problem थी तुम्हारे project में. It was nice. Okay, don't worry about that. कि आपने बेटा explanation इतना अच्छा दिया and moreover you participated. वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है बेटा ना. Participation is more important, so don't worry about that. Okay. So I thank everybody for supporting in this program. Thank you very much. You all can leave now.